Hi my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Lane. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. So आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं nucleophilic addition reactions and the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reactions and various reactions involving in that, and we end up with some type of questions related to NEET examination. How are you all doing? So please confirm, are you able to hear me? You can see me? Yes. Fantastic. And in the series of NEET examination, we are preparing you guys all physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry by using various strategies. So here, please like this session, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Lane NEET YouTube channel. In this nucleophilic addition reactions, the most expected question you can get it from the NEET examination. So total aldehydes and ketones related questions is focused here. So I want to say you have a list of chapters in the total organic chemistry. When it comes to each and every chapter, it will have its own category of reactions that are more important. So like an alkane, free radical substitution reaction, alkene, electrophilic addition reaction, and alkyl halides, nucleophilic substitution reaction and elimination reaction. And you just see carbonyl compounds, they undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. So we will see all these nucleophilic addition reactions. So take a pen and paper and write the simple methodology to write these reactions, and awesome, you're going to get definitely a question from the NEET examination. Of course, this session we are conducting today will be super important for your CBSE preparation as well. So let us see without any delay here. So aldehydes and ketones and the nucleophilic addition reactions. Have you ever wondered these nucleophilic additions are very important? The actual natural importance of these nucleophilic addition reactions from the aldehydes and ketones, you see citrol is a compound condensed by aldehydes. Here you can see cinnamaldehyde, it is found in the cinnamon stick. Citrol, it is there in the lemongrass oil. You can say 2-heptanone, odor of blue cheese, and also you see benzaldehyde, aroma of the almonds and all. And also we see some importance here. Aldehydes and ketones undergo various types of reactions first of all, and these various types of reactions you just focus it on what kind of reactions they can undergo. They undergo addition reaction, so they are nucleophilic addition reaction. It can be H2O addition, hydration. You can alcohol addition, you can form hemiacetal and acetols, and you can say HCN addition, you are going to get a cyanohydrin. Every reaction will see NaHSO3 and ammonia derivatives and PCl5. आज हम ज़्यादा stress यहाँ पर देना है. And also you see reduction reaction like Wolff-Kishner reduction, and you can see Clemmensen reduction, and you can see MPV reduction and lithium, aluminum and sodium borohydrate kind of reductions. You see MPV reduction is not that important for the NEET examination. And also you can see special reactions are also there like aldol condensation, Claisen condensation, Cannizzaro reaction and kind of reactions. इसमें aldol condensation काफ़ी important है. Cannizzaro reaction is very important. So, and also you can observe this alpha substitution. So, Hoffman bromamide reaction comes under this category. So, you need to focus more on tautomerism here. And also you can see various reactions like all oxidation reactions, like it could be a mild oxidation reaction or it could be a strong oxidation reaction. So I already conducted a session based on total oxidation reactions and reduction reactions. You can see in the channel the previous sessions, there you are going to see all types of reactions there. So without delay, let us talk about the nucleophilic addition reaction. What is the actual nucleophilic addition reactions? This is the carbonyl group. So oxygen and carbon, there is an electronegativity difference. Because of the electronegativity difference, you are going to get a partial negative charge and you are going to get a partial positive charge, and it is going to be carbon has sp2 hybridization ताकि इसका triangular planar होगा. If you see any nucleophile, a nucleophile is a species, maybe it is cyanide, maybe it is hydroxide, or any nucleophile which can attack positively charged carbon is going to react at the carbon with a positive charge over here. It is going to attack here. So this is going to be sp2 it was, and it will become sp3 as a result of this. You can see CO minus, and it is going to be a nucleophile is added. So it become sp3 and is tetrahedral, and it was sp2 and it is trigonal planar. Yeah, Yuvraj, Friedel-Crafts acylation, when benzene is reacted with acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, you are going to get acetophenone, and this is what is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. It is there in 5 golden reactions of benzene. Yuvraj Singh, hope you understand. Yeah, stay tuned, and those who are online, please like the session and follow us, and any doubt that you have as far as the context is concerned, I am going to honor that, and you please enjoy the session. Take a pen and paper and write along with me. You are going to get an awesome experience after this nucleophilic addition reaction and its application. Definitely for the CBSE, you are going to get one short question, and NEET examination, one MCQ. So you are going to get one round of preparation with 2 shots. So in this nucleophilic addition reaction, you are going to see the carbon double bond O. Oxygen is negative charge, carbon is positive charge. When nucleophile is attacked, so it is going to become, excuse me, sp2 become sp3, a tetrahedral intermediate is formed. Counter electrophile is added, so that you are going to get its corresponding product. And when it is corresponding product, new chiral center is introduced. As a new chiral center, the product is going to get enantiomeric product beta. Stereochemistry is also important, and you are going to get a racemic mixture. बच्चों, एक चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूं. During a organic reaction, when a new chiral carbon is generated, the product is going to be a racemic mixture. The process is called as a racemization, right? And moving ahead, if you have any doubts, Betu is there in the class. Okay, Anush Gope. So those who are regularly coming and asking doubts, and Yuvraj, come on, let's talk about the more. So aldehydes and ketones and nucleophilic addition, ये reactivity का हिसाब से क्वेश्चन आने का संभावना है. So aldehydes and ketone react with the nucleophiles. Of course, it is true. As the number of R groups increases, you are going to decrease the reactivity. So you can see, this is a hydrogen and this is hydrogen, formaldehyde, and this is alkyl group and this is an aldehyde. 2 alkyl groups, it is going to be a ketone. Now I want to penetrate a nucleophile. So nucleophile penetration, you can see the nucleophilic penetration is easy because there is no steric hindrance. As the steric hindrance increases, nucleophilic addition reaction decreases. Now, because of this big alkyl group, penetration of the nucleophile is not that effective. Penetration of nucleophile is not that effective. Now, 2 alkyl groups are restricting here. The penetration of the nucleophile is super restricted, very difficult. So that reactivity of these ketones with the nucleophile is very, very less as compared to aldehydes and compared to formaldehyde. So formaldehyde is highly reactive towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. So this is the key point. I want to give you this key point in an organized way ताकि आपको NEET examination में अगर question आ सकता है तो आप सीधा answer दे सकता. Take it here. So factors affecting nucleophilic reactivity order. The first point is positive charge. So nucleophilic addition reaction is directly proportional to positive charge on the carbon. किस कार्बन है? It is there on the carbonyl carbon. बच्चों, fine, any doubts? And steric hindrance, first positive charge है, always steric hindrance. Nucleophilic addition reaction is inversely proportional to steric. Is inversely proportional to steric. And also electron donating groups. If any electron donating group is there, so nucleophilic addition reaction is inversely proportional to electron donating group. If electron donating group is there, it decreases the positive charge on the carbon, so that nucleophilic addition reaction is decreased. See such a logic. Always answer NEET examination anywhere organic chemistry reactions in such a way that apply logic, always create this kind of cheat sheet or the techniques and keep with you. That only can give you direct answer in the examination. Now, if it is electron withdrawing group is there, reverse, nucleophilic addition reaction is directly proportional to electron withdrawing group. Okay, so these are the 4 factors. So you have to check this rule number 1, you have to check this rule number 1, and this is rule number 2, if this is rule number 3, and this is also rule number 3. So whether electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group can tell you out of this. So Yuvraj, can we expect a question based on this? Abhi Madhya Pradesh aaya tha Anuj Gope. I was just recalling you just a couple of minutes ago. So welcome to the session. God bless you. Anuj, God bless you. So don't talk about Saturday idli na. So we're talking about pure organic chemistry today from the Infinity Land YouTube channel from Hyderabad. Okay, take a pen and paper and do the question that I am going to give it here. So it is a question, the correct order of reactivity towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. Answer आप दे सकता हो, मैं देना है. First you tell that, use the chart box and let us know that. बच्चों, and today we will discuss concept as well as questions. How do you like that? That's perfect. Come on. I want the answer from you guys. Bacho, Yuvraj and Anuj Gope and Betu is there in class. Nurashmi. Okay, well, let us talk about all our benzaldehydes now. What makes them? So this is not a benzaldehyde, this is acetophenone, this is a ketone. And this is an aldehyde. Usme sabse, yes, you want to say B. Okay. So let me tell you, ketones are always less reactive than aldehydes. So I want to talk about this. 3 is the least reactive. And among them, benzaldehyde, and this is electron withdrawing group, and this is electron releasing group. So electron withdrawing group makes it is more reactive than benzaldehyde, and electron releasing group is going to be 1. So this is the order of reactivity, 2, 4, 1, 3. I would say my answer for this question is going to be option D. Check it, it is going to be option D. Bacho, any doubt? Any doubt? That's good. Now if you have any doubts, so this is the typical NEET examination questions, beta. Typical NEET examination questions. And और एक चीज है, I want to ask you, if it is HCHO and CH3CHO and CH3 C double bond O and CH3, you are going to see the order of reactivity like this. This is also a very important factor. Formaldehyde is always more reactive as compared to dorimone, and it is more reactive than aldehydes. And ketone सबसे कम reactive होगा. कीटोन सबसे कम रिएक्टिव होगा. And even the ketones, as the size of the alkyl group increases, reactivity increases. That's what it is mentioned here. Steric hindrance. Steric hindrance increases, size of alkyl group increases. Are you getting or not? Any doubt? Now let us see the moment it is going to be the various reactions that is involved by this aldehydes and ketones. And here you can see aldehydes and ketones are nucleophilic addition reactions. I already mentioned here. Addition of H2O, hydrate formation. Addition of H2O, hydrate formation. So when a aldehyde or a ketone is taken, when water is added, so this is a nucleophile. As a result of this, you are going to get a hydrate. So two OH groups cannot be present on the same carbon atom. Therefore, what will happen? Equilibrium always lies in the backward direction. So, hydrate of aldehydes and ketones are never stable except some intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So, you can say if electron withdrawing groups are present, it can stabilize the hydrate. Assertion and reasoning type questions are also there, and based on this you can get an assertion as a reasoning type question. Nessler's reagent K2HgI4 is called as a Nessler's reagent. Beta, are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? Yeah, you know about the Nessler's reagents, right? So, for what reason Nessler's reagent can be used? Could you give me the answer? Nessler's reagent can be used to test the ammonium ion, qualitative analysis. Okay, moving ahead, I said this equilibrium always lies in the backward direction. Sometimes hydrates can be stable. So, how these hydrates can be stable? This is called chloral, trichloroacetaldehyde. This is your chloral. आज इडली नहीं खाया. The chloral, when it is added with water, you are going to get trichloroacetaldehyde or chloral hydrate. This trichloroacetaldehyde is going to form intramolecular hydrogen bonding, so that equilibrium Kc is near about 500. हमेशा ए रिएक्शन आगे बढ़ने का कोशिश करता हूं. That's very important, my dear children. Chloral hydrate is stable. So, vicinal, geminal diol are never stable in the entire organic chemistry. Maybe one or two examples are there, they are going to be stable. One is chloral hydrate, another one is ninhydrin. In these two cases, this is going to be more stable. So, diols, geminal diols are going to be stable only in these two cases. Except these two cases, anyways, geminal diols are going to be unstable. And moving ahead, the other cases, addition of ROH, acetal and acetal. Bacho, you can see this is very important. When aldehydes and ketones, if one molecule of alcohol is added, you are going to get hemiacetal. If two molecules of alcohol is added, you are going to get acetal. First one is hemiacetal, two molecules is called as a acetal. If it is a ketone, you are going to get hemiketal and a ketol. Addition of one alcohol gives hemiacetal. Salt analysis कब होगा अगले हफ्ते में करना चाहता हूँ अनुज. Okay, so you can see simple aldehyde favors the formation of acetal, but the hindered aldehyde, most of the ketones do not favor such formation. So one molecule of alcohol gives rise hemiacetal, two molecules of alcohol gives rise acetal with an aldehyde. If one molecule of alcohol with ketone, hemiketal, and if two molecules of alcohol with ketone is called as a hemiketal. That appears like this. My dear children, alcohol is added to get a carbocation there, so you are going to see the hemiacetal beta, and one more alcohol can be added. This is called as acetal. You see, this is acetal. This is very important. Two OR groups are there, and if it is a ketone, you are going to get hemiketal, and it is a ketal, right? Take a note, everybody. Each and every point I am discussing here, that can directly give you the examination score point of view. So this is the mechanism I want to show you. Students are asking continuous questions like, do we have to memorize the mechanism? Never memorize the mechanism. When you memorize when you study the mechanism, you are going to get an outcome. A mechanism का हिसाब से outcome कैसा निकालना है आपको पता होना चाहिए. John Taylor distortion for mains, हाँ. John Taylor effect for the coordination compounds you can skip for mains. Okay, even for NEET examination. Take a screenshot, everybody. So bachon, if it is for the ketone, this is for the ketone, this is a ketone, you are going to see methyl alcohol, you are going to get a cyclohexanone ketol, and you can see a ketone, you can see it is a ketone, and when it is treated with ethylene glycol CH2OH and CH2OH, so you are going to see the formation of a water molecule here. You see how simple the reactions can be learned. So water molecule is eliminated. So the way I am doing here, you follow the same method. So I think it is visible to you with the blue color. You are going to see and CH2 and CH2. You got, and this particular reaction can help you to protect the ketonic group. So if it is hydrolyzed, you are going to get the ketonic group retained. So it could be very helpful in solving some reaction mechanism and routing conversions. So moving ahead, addition of NaHSO3. Aldehydes and ketones on sodium hydrogen reaction with NaHSO3, it forms a bisulfite adduct. It is a nucleophilic addition. You can see Na plus HSO3 minus, and it is going to be a nucleophilic addition. As a result of this, you are going to get a bisulfite adduct, a white crystalline compound. And this is white crystalline compounds. Most of the aldehydes and ketones are going to react with this. But acetophenone, benzophenone and sterically hindered carbonyls do not form this bisulfite adduct. NEET examination, that point is very important. Which of the following do not form bisulfite adduct? Wherever steric hindrance is there, it is not going to form. And you know, this bisulfite adduct can be used to detect carbonyl group and to isolate carbonyl compounds from the non-carbonyl compounds. So detection and purification and separation and many things you can do it with this. And now addition of a HCN. Addition of HCN. Whenever HCN is added, you are going to get cyanohydrate. This cyanohydrate has a lot of applications. You can see this is acetaldehyde. When it is treated with HCN, you are going to get this cyanohydrate. And let us see, this is the cyanohydrate. No? I want to give you CH3, okay, CH and OH and CN. If it is hydrolyzed, what is the product you are going to see? You are going to get alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid CH3, CH and COOH, and it is going to be alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. You got it. So practical organic chemistry भी लेना चाहता हूँ मैं. So those students who are online, please mention whatever your requirement in the chat box, so that I am going to schedule session based on that your requirement, right? And this YouTube channel, these sessions are very important, can be very helpful to you. And please like this session and share with your friends, subscribe to Infinity Lane YouTube channel. And you know, if you want to have this kind of sessions, you have to go to a long way to the coaching industry and pay huge amount of money. But here in this YouTube channel, we are conducting the session in such a way that these sessions are very easy to access, and it is absolutely 100% free of cost. Okay, so पैसा भी बचेगा, time भी बचेगा, आपको information भी मिलेगा, everything. So for your NEET examination to Dream Medical College journey, we will be always supporting you guys. So never miss this session. Please like this session and share with your friends. Okay, subscribe to Infinity Lane NEET YouTube channel. So Zeldal Duma भी लेना है, practical organic chemistry में मैं लेना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है बेटा? And moving ahead, if it is acetone, you are going to get acetone cyanohydride. So these cyanohydrates are very important synthetic tools. So you are introducing one carbon atom to it, no? So ascending conversion में ये काम ज़्यादा चलता है बेटा. And also you can see trimethyl acetone. Okay, so in that addition of HCN is very difficult because of the steric hindrance. Because of the steric hindrance, so nucleophile ऐसे घुसना का मुश्किल होगा. So the yield is going to be very less. जहाँ पर आपको steric hindrance होगा, वहाँ पर आपका कम product मिलेगा. That's very important बच्चों. Applications of cyanohydrin बेटा. This is your cyanohydrin. If you hydrolyze this, you are going to get a carboxylic acid. If you reduce this by using lithium ion aluminum hydride, you are going to get an amine. So let's see here, you are going to get alpha beta unsaturated heating करने के बाद alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid is formed, and lithium aluminum hydride, you are going to get alpha hydroxyamine is formed. It's very, very important synthetic applications. So whenever you attend examination of the NEET, so this is the mindset you need to have to give the correct answer for this, bacho. And moving ahead, if it is benzaldehyde HCN, the product is going to be benzaldehyde cyanohydrin, and this cyanohydrin on hydrolysis gives rise alpha hydroxy. So 2-hydroxy 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. It is 2-phenyl 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid is the name for this molecule. Bacho, you can see addition of ammonia and ammonia derivative. It is very, very, very important. So you can use this reaction in the CBSE as well as NEET or any other competitive examination. So in the NCERT book, you have a big table behind that. So a carbonyl group and NH3 is ammonia, and one hydrogen is replaced by a Z group, so that what will happen, you are going to remove this oxygen and 2 hydrogen, and water molecule is eliminated, and you are going to get ammonia derivative. You are going to get an ammonia derivative. In this scenario, you can see, if it is ammonia, you are going to get a imine. If it is a primary amine, you are going to get, what is the primary amine? RNH2. Simply remove these 2 hydrogens, so that you are going to get substituted imine. This is what is called as Schiff's base. If it is with hydroxyl amine, you are going to remove these two hydrogens. So you are going to get an oxime. You know, oxime is going to show you syn and anti geometrical isomerism. And you are going to get hydrogen. You are going to see NH2 and NC double bond NH2. You are going to see this is called hydrogen. So gives rise hydrogen. Okay, hydroxylamine gives rise oxime, hydrogen gives rise hydrazone, and this is the hydrogen. You substituted a phenyl group over there, so you are going to get a phenyl hydrogen. So this is yellow crystalline solid, so to form phenyl hydrazone. You remember aldehydes and ketones. Here glucose is also going to form reaction with hydrogen, phenyl hydrogen to gives rise to hydrozones. So Wasa zones are prepared based on this. So all sugars forms Wasa zones, right? Moving ahead, 2,4-DNP. This is otherwise called Brady's reagent. This is the phenyl hydrogen only. Second position and fourth position, nitro groups are there. This is what is called 2,4-DNP, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen gives rise 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. It is orange color compound. So every carbonyl compound is going to give this 2,4-DNP test. When you read the question, you will understand this 2,4-DNP test. And moving ahead, I will give you some questions based on this bacho. And if it is semi-carbazide, you can see NH2 group is here, NH2 group is there. So this is in the cross conjugation, so that it will not react, and this is going to react and this will not react to form semi-carbazone. So though semi-carbazide has two NH2 groups, but only one is going to react, another is not reacting, because the amide group is not reactive towards the nucleophilic addition reaction due to the cross conjugation. So it's very important to get this assertion and reasoning kind of questions. Assertion and reasoning kind of questions. Even this particular thing is given in the CBSE textbook beta. This particular thing is given in the CBSE textbook as well. And moving ahead, addition of Grignard reagent. It is an awesome reaction. It's an awesome reaction. So Grignard synthesis of the alcohol. So formaldehyde, aldehyde and a ketone. Let us talk about this aldehyde you take. R C double bond O and H. If it is a Grignard reagent is added, RMgCl. And this Grignard reagent is going to be very good nucleophile. And this good nucleophile is going to attack on this carbonyl carbon. And you're going to see the formation of RO minus MgCl, and it is going to be R, and its further hydrolysis you are going to get RCOH and H and R. So you need not have to write the total mechanism. एक ही ट्रिक देना चाहता हूँ आपको. Whenever formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, further hydrolysis gives rise to primary alcohol. Whenever Grignard reagent is going to react with the aldehyde other than formaldehyde, gives rise secondary alcohol. Whenever aldehydes are ketones are going to react with the Grignard reagent, further hydrolysis gives rise a tertiary alcohol. And if you keep this logic in your mind, you can do the best out of it. Okay, let's see. Any doubt? Yeah. अभी तक PYQ नहीं किया आप करो. Definitely some PYQs are there in today's session, and aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction we will discuss, so that we can have a good number of questions. What happened? Aldol condensation में क्या होगा? aldol condensation में when alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde is treated with strong alkali, you are going to get hydroxyaldehydes. This is called as aldol condensation, and it is heated to give rise alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. This is what is called as aldol condensation. So बच्चों, so aldol condensation में participate करने के लिए आपको मिलेगा aldehyde or a ketone should have alpha hydrogen with it. So the alpha hydrogen is essential condition to form this aldol condensation process. So acetaldehyde is going to give alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Anush, yeah, fine beta. So let us see various combinations of this. So mechanism of aldol condensation, you see the mechanism CH3 CHO, and in the presence of an alkali, alpha hydrogen is acidic in nature, so that आपको मिलेगा CH2 and CHO. It is going to be a good nucleophile. It is going to be a good nucleophile. This is going to attack another aldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. So there is a nucleophilic addition reaction. So this nucleophilic addition reaction का बारे में आपको मिलेगा CH3. So followed by hydrolysis. So you're going to say CH3, CHOH and CH2 and CHO. Now if it is on a heating, water molecule is eliminated. Bachcho, water molecule is eliminated, you are going to get CH3 and CH double bond CH and CHO. So इतना झंझाटन चाहिए आपको? नहीं. I will give you, keep aldehyde group of the one aldehyde and water molecule is eliminated, so that oxygen here, two hydrogens here, water molecule is eliminated. So ताकि आपको क्या मिलेगा? CH3 CH double bond CH and CHO. Use this trick beta. Use this trick. समझ में आ रहे क्या बच्चों? We'll do some more questions. So mechanism भी दिया आपको ट्रिक भी दिया. पसंद है? That's good. Now cross aldol condensation between two different molecules is called as a cross aldol condensation. So using two types of carbonyl compounds, both should have alpha hydrogen. That gives a product like this. So you are going to have this cross aldol condensation. I will give you the combination of this cross aldol condensation in explaining examples for that. So bachcho, come on, stay tuned. So be active in the chat box and in the attendance also. Take a pen and paper and start the questions that we are going to. Can you tell me this cross aldol condensation? So that cross aldol condensation करने के लिए CH3 CHO, I want to say CH3 CHO can react with CH3 CHO, right? And also you are going to say CH3 acetone, CH3 and CH3 C double bond O CH3, and also CH3 C double bond O CH3, and along with CH3 and CHO, and here CH3 CHO plus and CH3 C double bond O CH3. Like this 4 combinations you are going to see. 4 combinations. So I need help. What is the So I love from Kashmir district, Baramulla city after Saturday. So what you want, please. So what is the help you can do? You can ask, please. Okay. So you're going to get the product like this. Okay, what are the products? Let me tell you. Simply remove the water molecule. You can remove hydrogen here, oxygen here, hydrogen here. So like this various products I can write it. So CH3, CH double bond CH and CHO. You know? So what is the help I can do? And you can see CH3, C double bond CH3 and C H and C double bond O CH3, and here CH3, C double bond CH3, and here it is going to be CH and CHO. Better use, while practicing, better use two colors of pens, that you will understand it. Here you are going to say CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond O CH3. So undoubtedly we have seen these many types of the products. Are you getting it? Sir, in 11th class में कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, पूरी 11th class waste हो गया, बाबा. What to do? Bharat Mata ki Jai, Gurjar. And after Saturday, weird name, those who completed. So NEET category, NEET preparing students, I want to categorize in three ways. First category is those studying right from beginning, they are on the track. Okay, all the best. Second category, they wasted 11th standard and started preparation from 12th standard. And the third category, wasted 11th as well as 12th. Now, सिर्फ 6 महीने बचाओ NEET examination के लिए. Right? So, how to do? Let us take the worst case in the last case. So, last 6 months are there. You want to prepare for your NEET examination. Yes, still you can do. But dedication is important. And the biggest hurdle is, आप boards में भी ध्यान देना पड़ता है ना. So, for this, I have a very good suggestion. You can do at least minimum 10 hours a day in a preparation, an organized way. You can just focus on NCERT and board examination. So next week onwards, I am conducting all the sessions of the NEET preparation along with the board examination. Okay, you please follow our sessions and you can do the best. Right? Follow the classes. I am going to give you a short concepts and a short teaching methodology and how to imply the same concept for both boards as well as NEET examination. Ayush Dubey, like it? So can you suggest books for NEET 2026 for chemistry? We have test series beta. For what book you have to do? I have only two things to say. Never purchase any other book. Purchase and follow NCERT's everything for concept. But for practicing the things, you purchase any relevant book that have multiple choice questions. We have NEET assessment test series by the Infinity Lane. We are going to suggest you that because that is prepared scientifically by the faculty over here. Gujar, sir, chemistry में NCERT के वाला किसी नहीं ओनली टेस्ट सीरीज काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा. टेस्ट सीरीज का काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू द टेस्ट सीरीज स्लाइड ना. आई हैव द टेस्ट सीरीज स्लाइड. लुक एट दिस NEET टेस्ट सीरीज. NCERT का अलावा ये NEET टेस्ट सीरीज आप कोशिश करो, एक बार डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ, एक बार क्लिक करो. So NEET test series, the ultimate key to NEET success बेटा. So उसमें क्या special है? Yes, I complete NCERT 2 to 3 times. Congratulations Ayush Dubey. I am confused में कौन test series join करूँ? You just use this NEET test series because created by top NEET faculty बच्चों here. And it is based on latest NTA examination pattern. And also this is a super awesome test series. It simulates the real-time test taking experience. And this much facilities और कौन देगा? Description box में link दिया. And everybody, you please click that link and you can do this. And before you can purchase, you can apply YouTube 30 off. Automatically आपका 30% discount मिलेगा. इतना सस्ता में कौन देगा? And you will be having a separate test series for 11th के लिए अलग बना, 12th के लिए अलग बना, repeaters को भी अलग बना. Ayush Dubey, I want to ask question to you. Gujar, what is the question? You can ask us so that we can help you out of this. Okay, beta, कोई problem नहीं, and you just follow the link that is there in the pinned messages. You can see, find the best out of the NEET test series. You can purchase it. Okay. And I have some questions to do. Right? Yes, it is. What is hydrocarbons? Adiba, compound containing only carbon and hydrogen containing organic compounds are called hydrocarbons. They are alkane, alkene and alkyne. Okay, Guzar, you just check your internet connection, beta. Right? Is my voice is okay? Now, which of the following reagents can be used to purify a sample of acetaldehyde containing ethanol? Acetaldehyde NaHSO3 से react कर सकता है. Ethanol cannot react. It forms a white crystalline compound which can be separated, can be purified. So, my answer for this sodium bisulfite is the answer for this question. Bachcho, any strategy for class 10 Adiba? It is the session. This is not the channel we talk about the class 10. Okay, class 10 का अलग है आपको. You can just in the NEET channel, it is there for the school children also. And one more question, what is the order of reactivity? This is a very famous question, PYQ NEET. This is the PYQ NEET, beta. Who is going to give the answer for this, bacho? Pretty simple. Sir, by seeing 2025 paper, what to do? Think that safe score for the NEET 2026. Safe score paper करने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा. 2026 का पेपर डिफिकल्टी लेवल का हिसाब से सेफ स्कोर ऑन दैट बेस 2026 सेफ स्कोर यू कांट से दैट. सो सेफ स्कोर अलग अलग ईयर में अलग अलग पेपर के हिसाब से डिपेंड करता है बेटा. आयुषी दुबे क्लियर? हाँ या राइट. यू वांट टू से बी, दैट्स गुड. So, formaldehyde, methyl group, dimethyl and phenyl. Yes, of course. The answer is going to be C. No. It is going to be reactivity. It is going to be B. It is going to be B. That's good. Fantastic. Any doubt? Please ask us. Yeah. Now, a mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde and heating with concentrated solution of NaOH gives benzaldehyde and a formaldehyde. So, you are going to see this is a benzaldehyde and a formaldehyde. It is heated with concentrated sodium hydroxide. Cannizzaro reaction. दोनों में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं है गुजर. सो एक ऑक्सीडाइज होगा, ये दोनों रिड्यूस होगा. So the answer for this go benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. You're so calm, seriously. Okay, this is also a very important question. If you have any doubts, come on beta. It is a Cannizzaro reaction beta. Fine. Moving ahead, reaction of ethyl magnesium bromide with CO2 followed by hydrolysis. It's okay, it's okay. Just follow. Gujar, please like the session, beta. Please like the session. Those who are online, please like the session and please subscribe to this channel so that I'll be very happy. So, हमारा तरफ से ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा हूँ बच्चों के लिए कुछ भला करने को. आप भी थोड़ा भला करने की कोशिश करो बेटा. डिसप्रपोर्शनेशन, कैनिज़ारो रिएक्शन में डिसप्रपोर्शनेशन होगा. ये न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन बच्चों, ये न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन, उसमें क्या होगा देखो. ethyl magnesium, so C2H5 MgBr, so it is going to be ethyl magnesium bromide. It is reacted with carbon dioxide EC double bond O, carbon with a negative charge, here carbon with a positive charge. Here nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. So what will happen? So C2H5, you are going to see C2H5 CO minus and C double bond O MgBr, and this is on hydrolysis. It is going to give us C2H5 COH and double bond O. Propanoic acid is formed. I want to say propanoic acid is formed. My answer for this question is going to be B. That's good, fantastic, fantastic, very good question. And also, who is going to give the product for this? Those students, this is a super important question. You can directly use if the paper in the NEET examination comes so difficult and tough. This is the type of questions that can be expected. And you want me to help? I will help it. Come on. Let's see here. This is the structure. This is on resonance. As a resonance, you are going to see O minus and a plus. Now this positive charge is there. Methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide, so that methyl group is going to be attached here. This is going to be methyl and it is followed by hydrolysis, and you are going to see surprisingly I am getting the product as a C. My product is going to be C. I don't have BMW. You want me to purchase? I'll purchase it for you. Okay? Just first you select in a competitive examination. Gujar, you understand? It is not B. It looks like B. It's a trap. It's a trap. Wrong. It's a trap. It's a trap. This option is a trap. This is the actual product. Please like this session. That's good, bachcho. And the product in the following, I already did in the previous class. Methyl magnesium iodide treated with the formaldehyde should give primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. So you are going to see methyl magnesium. So methyl magnesium iodide. So you are going to see and HCHO, HC double bond OH, partial negative charge and partial positive charge. What will happen here? This negative charge is going to attack here. You are going to see CH3 and you will get a CH2O minus MgX, and it is going to be hydrolyzed to give rise to CH3 and CH2OH. I got it as ethyl alcohol. Answer is going to be C. ना you guess नहीं चलता बेटा, एग्जामिनेशन में guess कभी नहीं चलता. Understand? And the answer is right. Arey Gujar beta, please like this session. Next, which of the following forms enol in the greatest extent? कीटो इनोल टॉटोमराइजेशन के हिसाब से जहां पर आपका एक्टिव मिथाइलिन ग्रुप होगा, दैट इज गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट इन कीटो इनोल टॉटोमराइजेशन. सो दिस इज एक्टिव मिथाइलिन ग्रुप. Understanding? That's good. Now the answer for this is going to be simple trick. Tautomerism, you just put that mechanism, this mechanism gives a lot of disturbance, but it is simple, right? Very good. This answer is going to be C. That's perfect. और एक क्वेश्चन देना है क्या? Now, aldehyde which shows Cannizzaro reaction. Aldehyde which shows Cannizzaro reaction. So, if alpha hydrogen is there, you are going to see aldol condensation. If alpha hydrogen is not there, it shows Cannizzaro reaction. So, it will not react. It will not, it has no alpha, it has no alpha, it has no alpha. So that all these is going to be the answer. Yeah, aldol, all aldol, right? So when you add a question from any competitive examination, especially for this NEET channel, this is the simple methodology of the questions you can see. And the reagent that gives an orange color precipitate with acetaldehyde. What could be the answer for this? Arre Chatki, come on. What is the answer for this? Na. It is going to give you white crystalline. And 2,4-DNP gives orange. Right? My answer for is going to be answer D is the correct answer for this question. D is correct. और एक क्वेश्चन है, which of the following will not give iodoform test? अरे बेटा आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट देने के लिए कंडीशन क्या होगा? मिथाइल कीटोन और मिथाइल हाइड्रोक्सी कंपाउंड. So that isopropyl alcohol. What is this isopropyl alcohol? CH3, CH3. This is isopropyl alcohol. It will give you ethanol, CH3, CHO. It will give you CH2OH. Ethanol is the only primary alcohol give iodoform test. Ethanol, CH3, CHO will give you. Benzyl alcohol, it will not give you. This is your benzyl alcohol. It will not give you. Popular question. Will not give, will not give. So the question is asking about the negative sense also. So my answer for this question is going to be D. Fine, beta. Any doubt, Gujar? That's good, fantastic. So आप आंसर आगे लग रहे हैं. That's good, बच्चों. And what could be the answer for the sequence based questions? Sequence based questions. Who will answer this question? You tell me, bachcho. Acetylene, bachcho, here it is acetylene, CH a triple bond CH. When it is treated with Hg2 plus and HO plus, okay, hydration takes place. As a result of that, you are going to get CH3CHO, keto enol tautomerism का ही हिसाब से. Rizwana, hello, hi. Please like the session. Those who are online, please like the session. Now it is treated with methyl magnesium bromide, CH3MgBr, and followed by hydrolysis. You are going to see CH3 and COH and H and CH3. Bacho, this is your A and this is your B. And when this B is further oxidized, I am going to get CH3, C double bond O, CH3 acetone. It is going to be acetone. Secondary alcohol gives rise to ketone on oxidation. So Gujar, it is supposed to be C. If you have any doubts, please let me know in this question. That's good, perfect. Students enjoying the class, and please like this session, subscribe to this channel so that we will be having awesome questions throughout the journey of this NEET preparation, bacho. And here I want to present you acetaldehyde gives iodoform test. Yes, of course it will give, Chatki it can give. So Infinity Learn is offering NEET test series, ultimate key to NEET success. It is prepared by the eminent faculties in the content department, and it is based on the latest NTA examination pattern, and it gives you real-time simulation for this NEET examination. So in the description box, link is available. You can click it and you can just pursue that. Okay, when you just click it, YouTube 30 of coupon code enter करना ताकि आपको मिलेगा क्या 30% discount है ना बेटा. So those who are online, please एक thumbs up, live chat में एक thumbs up देना. We are come to the end of the session, and we'll meet with more stuff in the next upcoming sessions, and we are going to provide you these many as possible sessions every day from the YouTube channel to make you to go with your dream medical college. Yeah. So we are all done from my side. Thank you very much. God bless you. And signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.